DecoNetwork makes it easy to list designs on a page, but then after the customer selects the design, they're shown that design on different products. The customer can choose one of those products and then choose the size, color, and either order or do further designing using the design tool. So how do we edit these couple additional pages? Well, let's start with step one. Step one, list designs. So we're going to just come in here and we'll do a design listing, and we'll choose how we want these designs to be listed. Now, what'll happen is the customer will choose one of these designs, which will then take the customer to what's called the design on product page. So we did a design listing, customer chooses one of those designs. They then see that design on a few different products. So how do we configure this page? Well, we'll come back over to pages, scroll down to the system pages. This is in the product view design page. That is what we're on. We're viewing the design on a few different products. This is where we can control how many products we're showing, how big the product thumbnails are, how big the design thumbnail is. All of this is controlled on this view design page by clicking on the widget itself. Now, so what the customer will do, again, is they're going to choose one of those items, and then they're going to be taken to what's called the view design on product page. So customer chooses the product. Now they're on the view design on product page. And to access that, here in pages, we have design on product. And this is where, if I double click on it, I can control this widget. So I can control, where are we going to show the product name? Are we showing the product logo? Are we showing the product code? How are we displaying the description? Are we using extra details? Just like you would if you were editing the view pre-decorated or view blank product page. So to sum it up, we list designs. Customer chooses a design. It takes the customer to the design on product page. Customer chooses one of those products. It takes them to the view pre-decorated or the design on product page where they can further make edits and then purchase, or they can then take it to the design tool to really further edit. If you have any questions on how to edit the view design or design on product pages, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.